This national trial attorney, Michael Jaafar. Michael, even at times when I was watching, and I know about the case, I'm forgetting that Adam Montgomery is the one on trial. I'm glad we have the sidebar, the picture of him up, because, of course, we've talked about it. He's not in the courtroom, and you start to think that Kayla is the one that's on trial. But obviously, they're saying, defense counsel saying, that she is the one that's responsible here. Do you think they did accomplish that?
I think they did an amazing job. I think that defense attorney, one thing people don't see when they understand how big of a public service and public good that attorney is doing. No defense attorney wants to take a case with this type of subject matter. I know many attorneys who you could not pay them enough to take a case where they had to look at photographic evidence of a child being in a freezer, right? So this attorney is doing a public good. She did an amazing job, because now when this villain goes to jail for 1,000,000 years, as he will, we can all sit back as a society and say, well, he had his day in court. Well, she's to be credited for that. She gave him his day in court. You said it yourself, Kelly. It got boring at times. She kind of tamped down the excitement of the case, which Montgomery kind of needs, right? She tamped it down. She did a marvelous job. She did a public good. I'm proud of this attorney. I don't know her, but if I were to ever bump into her, I'd tell her, the job you did for that guy, and she wouldn't even have to, she'd give me the look where she'd say, yeah, it was tough. She did a public good, and she did a good job. You're right, Kelly. It was very boring, but that's kind of what he needed.